Alright, we're getting into this trade a little late, but we'll go ahead and it had a small pullback here. So we'll go ahead and take it in 6 contracts. We didn't get too bad of a fill. Missed out on about 3 or 4 ticks. We're ahead of the game right now. This is oil. Each movement here in oil, for those of you who don't know, are $10 or $10 per movement or tick. But you see it, we're moving in increments of $60 actually because of the 6 contracts. Right now we'll go for a 15 tick profit target. That equates to $10 a tick times 6 contracts times 15 ticks is 900. Yeah, we did get in a little late on this. Like I said, we missed out on about 4 or 5 ticks here, but I'll move our stop in pretty quick here. We should get a pop here to pretty close to the top blue target. Oh, okay. The new target that just showed up, that's where our profit target will be. And again, I recommend everyone taking our free trial. You know, I just videotape a few trades here, and people say, well, you just kind of pick and choose the ones you want to videotape. And, you know, for some, yeah, that could be, you know, I try to just videotape the first ones I do each day. But the point is of these is to look at our software, not to show everyone what our performance is. I would recommend coming to the free trial to look. If you want to see performance, you can watch all the trades for 2 hours a day, every day, for 3 days. Well, we came pretty close to our profit target there. We didn't quite hit it. I'm going to break even on this. I think it was close enough to the target to where we hit our resistance, and it's obvious we're coming down right now on this. So unfortunately we came within 1 tick of our profit target, and that does happen. But I'm going to have to pull this stop in to break even. We still might make the trade. The probabilities at this red hot second are that we will get stopped out. But I've seen it. Oh, look, see, we got a pop right now. But then it'll recede on us again. So let's just keep our stop here, and we came within 2 ticks of our profit target. 516, 5016 was the high, and we have our profit target at 5018. But anywho, like I said, we're halfway again up, so we may make it. But I'm not going to stretch our stop. I'm going to keep it right where it is. Now, if we would have gotten in, woulda, coulda, shoulda, right? But if we would have gotten in at, we didn't get in late on the trade, we would have already been hit our profit target, and we would have been out. So looks like this thing is coming down with a nice strong red bar. So there we go. Stop out. Here we go. We're at break even though, so hopefully with that, aside from any slippage and commission, there it is. Alright, well, we got stopped out at break even, 0. So let's move on to the next trade and not think about this one here. Okay, well, we're not going to be using the bow on this one. We're using the targets for a short here. 6 contracts short. We'll go for 15 ticks on this. It's funny, that last trade, as soon as we got out, it turned around and went our 15 ticks. that happens too. What a frustrating trade. Come within a tick or two of your profit target, you get out and it turns around on your stop and goes right up to where you want it to go to begin with. That happens a lot more than you think. But you can't get frustrated by it. And you just go on to the next trade. This is a nice trade right here, though. We're going in the direction of a intermediate trend here, and it looks like alright, looking pretty good on this one. I do believe we have a pretty good shot at hitting our profit target here. A little discouraging on the last trade. But we played it right. The last trade, even though we got stopped out and we got in late, we played it right. Aside from the getting in late part, we got out where we should have, even though it did turn right where we did get out. But we still played it correct. You don't want to stretch your stops for any reason. That's a big problem traders have, moving your stop because they don't want to get stopped out. That's a great way to really crush an account. Okay, we got a little pullback here, but it's on very low volatility. There's no reason for this for price to go up here. And we have our profit target set at that target that keeps blinking. It blinks off and on because there's orders being added and deleted off the exchange, pending orders. So that's why you see it blinking. I'm assuming it's going to stay. See, the orders moved up. Now they move down. So that's where it's moving down again. So that's where we want to put our profit target, which is about where we have it at 78. There it is. We hit our 900. So 2 trades, 1 stop, 1 winner. We're up 900. Alrighty.